Alright guys, Red Shadow here. Back from the Bear and Son sale. Just gonna go over one of these items they had. They had little kits with different style knives, single blade jacks, I believe, Stockman, and they had this Lockback knife here, Lockback Hunter, stainless steel, liners and bolsters on there. The lock here, bag with all your parts, your spring, all your pins and everything. The only thing with the blade, it's been ground down. There's no edge really. It wouldn't take much to get one, but I think when they had it in the bags rolled up, it just kind of throw them in the box or whatever, but it was laying up against a part inside the bag and probably hit right there, a little ding. I think that'll come out with a proper sharpening. It's not too bad. I kind of give it a few little taps with a ball peen on a piece of wood. That should buff out right there. Like I said, the blade is not sharp at all. So got these handle materials here. I believe this is horn, buffalo horn, I'm thinking. I forget exactly, but I got some bone too, some shin bone here. I was gonna try to put one of those materials on this scale here. I think the black would go good after everything's polished up. Not a fan of the jigging too much, but the thickness is probably good enough that we could, all that'll grind off smooth. I think once we polish all this dark bone up, dark horn up, polish these bolsters and everything up, that'll be nice looking right there. But I think that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're just kind of going over an item right here. The locking mechanism here doesn't actually lock up, but they have it rounded off here, and I think all it really needs is just a little flattening right here at this edge. So I think that'll lock right in after that. Take that rounded off. I think so. Take it down just a little bit, you know. Yeah, it'll be a cool little project inside of one of the scales here, liner. Not too bad. Got a couple little dings in it, which will probably buff out, I'm thinking. $15, $16, I think, just for this build kit here. So it comes with all this here. Spring, your base cap, I forget what that's called exactly. It's what your spring sets into. Pins, liners, bolsters, locking bar, and a blade. And that's pretty cool right there. Scales here, I think, were $4 each or something like that. Bone was $6 each, I think, or 6 for 2, something like that. But yeah, that's pretty neat. $20. Nice little project right here. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Figured we'd check that out real quick. It'll be a future video, hopefully.